my name's Liz Wilson, I live in Bramhall, and I've had a rather serious journey over the last 6 months. And I'm recovered now from cancer, which terrified me to start with, but I now feel I'm able, I'm willing and happy, and everything's fine. It started in April last year. I had a series of urine infections, and the last one the GP was concerned because there was blood in my urine but no infection. So he sent me on the 2-week cancer pathway to Stepping Hill. I was seen within 13 days and was told that I would have to have further investigations, cystoscopies, blood tests, all sorts of things, which I did. And then eventually I had to have pre-op, and I went in to have what they knew were very serious tumours in my bladder. The next step, I was told it was a very aggressive form of cancer. I have no choice but to have a pelvic clearance, which was a major operation, I think 6.5 hours. My surgeon, Mr. Collins, told me in no uncertain terms that this had to be dealt with, and by his side was a Macmillan nurse and a urology specialist nurse who were so helpful. I just felt, goodness me, it's happened to me, surely not. But it did happen to me, and the support was amazing. I had 3 or 4 phone numbers that if I needed to speak to anybody at any time, they were there. So I went in on August the 20th, had the operation, was in HDU for 2 weeks and home on the 1st of September. And I think I was looked at, HDU in particular, they were absolutely amazing, the nurses, more like doctors. And they were very kind, and I didn't realise I'd have to learn to walk again. But I did, with help and the physios, but everybody, without exception, was very kind. After that, the stoma care nurses came to see me because that was the thing I was dreading. They came to see me, they helped me, they were amazing, and all the support you could possibly have with my family and everybody. 8 weeks later, in October, I went back to see Mr. Collins, and I had to thank him, and he said, no, he said, it takes 2 to tango. So, thank you, Mr. Collins. When I went back to the doctor to see Dr. Cotton, he'd had a letter that I hadn't had a copy of, which said no further treatment required. That was it. So here I am back at work on the beginning of November, feeling fine, enjoying my grandchildren, and everything's good.